Alright guys, welcome back. So, Nvidia got a upgrade from Goldman Sachs to a conviction buy. This is pretty good news. This is the second big upgrade Nvidia has gotten over the past couple of weeks. I'll get a video link to come up now, and that will take you to the first stock upgrade they took a couple of weeks ago. But real quick guys, make sure to go down to my comment section or my description box. Check out my social media links. Follow me on social media. I'm sharing things every day, stock market related. Sometimes I have some really good stuff, some late breaking stuff that I can't get on YouTube fast enough. And also guys, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so either. Right now, my schedule is allowing me to upload 2 times a day, and I want to keep that going as long as I can. So let's jump into this news article a little bit more. This is a pretty big deal. Goldman Sachs is a huge bank, huge investment firm. You know, usually when they put the conviction buy rating on a stock, it is pretty much set in stone that the stock is going to go up. So the article reads, just talks about how the NASDAQ was down more than 1% in the morning trading hours, but Nvidia actually jumped 1% after the Goldman Sachs analyst placed the stock on its conviction buy list. Obviously it did not hold up because the overall market pulled back so hard yesterday. But if you base on the current prices, that would imply Nvidia is at a 27% upside to current prices. Also guys, Goldman Sachs upgraded some other chip makers. That's why it's really important to stay plugged into this stuff. So right here guys, they gave NXP Semiconductors an upgrade. Keysight Technologies from buy to neutral. So for NXP and Keysight, Goldman Sachs has price targets of $85 and $76. So that is a pretty big deal. So right here guys, we have the 1-year chart pulled up on Nvidia. And so this is actually a really good place right here to buy into Nvidia, because what this chart suggests guys, they're seeing a lot of support here at the $230 to $240 mark. Obviously a lot of the big pullback has to do with the overall market selling off so hard, but Nvidia has a very nice level of support right there. They've kind of traded choppy this past year. You know, that's why I always encourage everybody to try to buy in these dips, okay? Buy in these nice big dips and sell up here, you know, once the stock appreciates a little bit. So, as you can see right now, we are exactly where we want to be. If you are not in Nvidia yet, I think this would be a fantastic place to buy. Of course, I'm not telling you to buy it, but I think if you do want to add Nvidia to your portfolio, you're not going to get many more opportunities like now. Of course, I hope most of you are familiar with the stock story of Nvidia, but right here, this article pretty much says it all, or this sentence pretty much says it all, that shares of Nvidia are up more than 260% over the last 2 years and more than 760% over the past 3 years. I know a lot of people I talk to are very bullish on Nvidia. I'm very bullish on Nvidia. It's a stock we cover constantly, but the flip side of that, I know a lot of people are nervous about buying into a stock that has ran so much. So I'm going to link up my stock analysis video. Make sure you go back and check that out, guys. Nvidia is really solid fundamentally, and they have so many great things going for them. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Go on down to the comment section, check out my social media links, drop me a like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you're invested in Nvidia. Like I said, it's one of my favorite companies, and actually on this channel, in my M1 Finance portfolio, we do have a holding in Nvidia. So I'm really excited to see, what kind of pricing we get as we start moving towards earnings. Okay? Have a great day. Let's get out here and get some stocks.